I better be baby.
You want the go hit? Show me your go hit. What's up a go hit? And the money go hit. So you want the go hit? Show me your go hit. What's up a go hit? And the money go hit. Mama one, boy. Mama one, boy. Mama one, boy. Mama one, boy.
And today we went to the Chalewote Arts Festival, and it was so vibrant and beautiful and like just joyful and fulfilling. And me and some of my peers and Miss Matheson, our principal, we got interviewed on Joy Prime newscast, the Ghanaian newscast, and it was really an experience. And I wasn't nervous at all either. I was dancing. It was just so nice, and I started dancing with strangers. It was so communal and like familiar, and it was just so nice. Like I felt like I was with family, like at home, and it was really nice.
Mama one, boy. Mama one, boy. Mama one.
My name is Tristan, and my experience at the Chalewote Festival was really amazing overall, and I feel like I was able to connect to new people and experience new things. Like interacting with the artists, I learned how to flow with art, and I learned more about spray painting, and that's definitely something I'll take away from the festival.
So you want the guy? Show me your boy. What's up a boy? And the money boy. Mama one, boy.